Use double pipe drawing to model main runs efficiently. Specify the used pipe series, size, and insulation series. Set system type and elevation. Use the right-click menu for quick design options, such as elevation change. You can start drawing from the device connectors and complete the connections. Speed up your design with tools such as Copy Branch. Install components with the Smart Size selection. Select symbols from the CIBSE library. Adjust component orientation using the 3D Rotate tool for precise coordination. Get access to a wide range of devices and appliances, both real manufacturer ones and generic. Double and triple pipe drawing speeds up the drafting process. Select the used insulation series and define the distance between the pipes. Select Systems and set elevation. Use smart routing to avoid collision after vertical sections. Make branches with automatic offset. Smart routing makes connecting to appliances easy. Connect to vertical sections without leaving the floor plan view. Create a hot water return system with a flow node. Run UK-aligned domestic water pipe dimensioning and pressure drop calculations. Verify pipe diameters, loading units, and nominal flow rates to ensure full compliance with UK regulations. Consolidate your design by reviewing all your systems within a single calculation report. Identify design issues through the report's warning column and mark their locations directly in your model. The balancing calculation verifies pressure distribution and valve adjustment data across all pipe systems to ensure compliance with UK standards. Refine your design in this interactive report by analyzing total pressure, LU, and flow data for the whole network and all the systems. Review the total network requirements at the root and track the distribution of flow and pressure through every branch and device. Push the calculation results into the objects. The radiator selection tool helps you identify the optimal radiator size and type based on calculated space heating loads. Select the correct heat emitter size based on its heat output capacity. Finalize the configuration by selecting a valve and inlet and outlet positions. Smart routing and the right-click design options help you to finalize the network. Smart connection directly from the valve. Install components with the Smart Size selection and select symbols from the CIBSE library. Run pipe dimensioning according to your desired sizing criteria. The functional report warns you about potential issues. Update the model with new pipe sizes and properties. pressure drop calculations according to the CIBSE standard. Calculated valve adjustments. See which CIBSE tables the results come from. The clash detection tool highlights exact intersection points. The crossing tool helps you resolve spatial clashes. The preview window allows you to try various configurations and elevations. Create generic heating and cooling plant stations. Perform a pressure drop calculation for the network. See pump duty points in the calculation reports.